Hi guys, it's AllycatlovesAG here, and today I'm opening 3 packages, one from Elite Doll World, one from Closet for Chloe, and one from ThePetiteWhaleCo. So I hope you guys enjoy the opening. So also, I'm currently doing an Instagram live right now, and I asked them what package they wanted to see me open first, and ThePetiteWhaleCo is the winner, and we're gonna open that one. So here's the envelope, and she honestly has the cutest envelopes of any Etsy shop that I've ever ordered from. They are white and blue striped, and also on here she wrote "Thank you, enjoy." And on the other side, she wrote my username in calligraphy, and also it says "Open Me" on the tab, so that's exactly what we're gonna do. So you guys can see we got the business card right here. So the first item I got are these jeans. These were from her spring release, however, I custom ordered them. They are light blue, they're ripped, and this is actually my first pair of doll jeans. I used to have the ones from the 2005 Me outfit, however, I gave them away because I just didn't really like them. And I actually ordered a bunch of jeans in this haul, so that's exciting. And then the bottoms have a fringe on them, and there's actual working pockets, which is adorable. It's an elastic waist, and of course, the adorable little whale tag. The next item I got were from her current summer release, and they are the adorable anchor capris. They are a dark blue with, once again, working pockets, and the seams are so pretty. They're cuffed, and they have white anchors on them. And then once again, it is a elastic waist, and of course we have that adorable little whale tag. And the last item, at first I wasn't planning on getting it, however when she paired it with the pants, it was adorable, and it's so cute. It is this yellow crop top which has a little tie here, and it's so cute, and it's not hemmed at the bottom, which is a nice effect, and oh my god, the tiny hem on the sleeves is adorable. It is Velcro in the back, and of course the whale tag. The items are so cute, and I definitely recommend that you guys buy from her. The next package is from Elite Doll World, so I'm going to be opening that one now. So I ordered 3 things from Elite Doll World, so let's get into it. So of course it wouldn't be Elite Doll World without the iconic tags, and I own the E and the D already, but now I have the W. So here we just have a simple blue denim skirt with working pockets, and it is a elastic waistband, and it's just so cute, and it will go with so much. So up next is a pair which is the same fabric as the skirt, but as I said earlier, I'm getting a lot of denim today. So these are just regular skinny jeans with, once again, working pockets and an elastic waistband. Just regular jeans, and they are hemmed. The final item I got from Elite Doll World is this white lace halter top. I believe Dina and Bina has these in several colors, and I remember in one video she had it on Landed and she said it was amazing, and Elite Doll World restocked them, so I got it in white. And it is very similar in terms of the lace and the white color to a Bondo top I got from So Cute Forever. However, the style is different, and in the photo of the skirt she actually paired it with this top, and it's white, it's basic, it will go with a ton of stuff. The final package I'm opening in this video is from Closet for Chloe. Fun fact, she was the first ever Etsy shop I ever ordered from. So as you guys know, in February I won a free boy doll from American Girl Spirit, and he hasn't gotten any clothing other than his Me outfit, so I definitely had to buy some clothing for him. And Closet for Chloe has some adorable boy doll clothing. So I got these dark gray shorts right here. They've got working pockets, and they are just elastic waist, and these will go with so much, and it's summer and he can't be in his gray meat pants the whole time. The next item I got is this white t-shirt with gray sleeves, and once again, super adorable. Velcro on the back. And the final item is a white top with a gray neckline and green sleeves. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please be sure to leave a thumbs up and comment down below what was your favorite item that I opened in this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you are notified whenever I upload. And of course, have an amazing day. Bye! Till you feel the sunrise, let the music warm your body like the heat of 1,000 fires. The heat of 1,000 fires. Flying in the sky, I can be alright. Tears as they fall away, like